tablespoon of butter. To this I'm going to add 2 small onions finely chopped. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add 1 green chilli chopped. Next add 2 small tomatoes finely chopped. Saute the tomatoes. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next add 2 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji masala. Mix everything well. After adding the masalas, pour a little water, about half cup. Mash everything well. The masala is mashed up nicely. Now I'm going to add the chopped capsicum. I've taken 1 small capsicum that's finely chopped. After adding the capsicum, if the masala is too thick, add a little more water. Next, grate about 100 grams of cheese. Mix the cheese into the masala. You can see it's melted beautifully into the masala. Turn off the stove. Finish it off with some finely chopped coriander leaves. I've taken a pair of pav buns, cut it in the center. Heat a pan, add a little butter. I'm going to toast the buns. Place the buns on the tawa. Toast the pav buns on both sides. You can see it's got a lovely golden color to it. It's nicely toasted. Serve the pav buns with cheesy masala. Add some onions, coriander leaves, red chilli powder, and grate some cheese before serving. And serve it hot. For the Paneer Frankie roll, I've taken 200 grams of paneer, cut it into small cubes. First, I'm going to marinate the paneer with a few ingredients. Add 3 teaspoons of curd. To this, add ¼ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, ½ teaspoon garam masala powder, ½ teaspoon chaat masala powder, ½ teaspoon salt, and the juice of ½ lemon. Let this sit for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a quick mint and coriander chutney. I've taken a few mint leaves, a few coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger cut into pieces, the juice of ½ lemon, ¼ teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of curd, add a little water, grind it to a nice fine chutney. I'm going to add ¼ teaspoon of kala namak, that is black salt, for the chutney. Mix it well and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to fry the paneer. Heat the pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now add the marinated paneer pieces. Cook the paneer for about 5 minutes on high flame. Remove and keep it aside. So I'm just going to make a quick vegetable salad that goes into the paneer roll. For this I've taken 1 large onion thinly sliced, 1 capsicum thinly sliced, 1 medium sized carrot cut into juliennes, shredded cabbage. Giving the vegetables a little punch, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Now, this is entirely optional. Just mix it together. Now I'm going to start assembling the Paneer Frankie roll. I have a few pre-made chapatis. I'm just going to heat it up before making the Frankie roll. Now I'm going to assemble the Paneer Frankie roll. I've taken a chapati. To this add the mint chutney. Place a handful of the mixed vegetables. Next add the paneer. Roll the Frankie and serve it immediately. First I'm going to make the chapati dough. For this I've taken 1 cup of wheat flour. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, add a little oil, mix it in. Now gradually pour some water and start mixing the dough. Knead the dough till it's nice and soft for about 10 minutes. The dough is ready. Next I'm going to mix the eggs. Crack open 2 eggs. Add 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, a few coriander leaves finely chopped. To this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. Whisk everything together and keep it aside. Take a small dough ball. I'm going to start rolling out the parathas. Dust with a little flour so it doesn't stick. So you can see I've rolled it out to a nice medium thickness, not too thin or too thick. Heat the tawa. Once the tawa is nice and hot, place the rolled out chapati onto the tawa. Make sure the chapati is cooked on both sides. Once it's puffed up, remove it from the tawa. I'm going to make a little slit in the chapati to make a pocket. Now be careful while doing this. So here there's a little opening, so you can start with you're just going to separate the layers in between, so you get a nice pocket here to pour the egg mixture. Heat the tawa, just add a teaspoon of ghee, place the chapati, pour a little bit of the egg mixture into the pocket. Gently press it so it spreads evenly. Cook on one side, pour a little bit of ghee on top. Flip it onto the other side. Once it's cooked on both sides, remove it from the pan. Now the egg stuffed paratha is ready. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frame.